Yours is working.
Yours is working.
What sound test is this? Free? Sound test free?
Oh, I don't know. Sound test 157.
Right, after that special moment, we're going to go to the Northest Point. Are we all ready? Yeah? Tick off the big bit. It'll just be a stick in the ground. Right, mate.
Yeah.
We can do this. If I can start my bike. Right, John O'Groat's done, yeah?
John O'Groat's done. First one off the list.
So John O'Groat's to Land's End, first part done of that. Now we need to get the Northest Point to do the first part of the compass. It's a double first day.
It's a double whammy day.
You can touch my nipples too, so you get a tripler first of doing everything.
Well, I think these cars are waiting for me, but
Glad that wasn't a no.
I'm not touching your nipples. Ready?
Well, I'm going to follow you, aren't I?
Oh, Highland Council, he's round here checking parking tickets. You haven't paid for your parking, laddies.
Get you to my car park, you dirty Englishman. Ah, and then you give him a big wet kiss on his cheek and make his day. Right then, mate. Here we go. So, biker buddy Lee and Hayley. Lee is eating cake that he paid £9 for just so he can use the loo. Hayley's going to the loo as well. They're taking their time a little bit, so they're going to catch us up. We've got Gaz, who is trying to catch a ferry, and if he can get on the ferry, he wants to go over. Is it to Isle of Skye?
Not Skye. I can't remember what the other one is now.
He's going there anyway, and if he can't get on that, he's going to come and catch us back up. But he's staying at the same campsite as us tonight anyway, so we'll catch him in a bit. But everyone else is still here. We're all going along. Joe's Tiger, what would cost him and broke down a million times before he managed to even get it, is all good and working. Life is good. We have 3 Pans, 1 Honda DeVille and 1 Tiger with us now.
Yes.
Anyway, let's power up. Let's get to the North Point, because this for me is the big tick list. Me and you have done John O'Groat's and it was lovely to go back. Someone put a sticker over my sticker, so they're now going to have like 20 million years of bad luck. But I just can't wait to tick off this North Point. The first one.
First point on the UK compass.
Yeah, man. Right, let's just get there. Well, we've made it to Dunnet Head, the northest point of the UK, and this is that big first tick list of the compass, and I'm really excited. I'm hiding here out of the wind because it's proper blowing, but fingers crossed we can do this in true 11 out of 10 style. So ladies and gentlemen, our first massive tick, here we go. Biker, thank you for coming. Cheers, dude. You made it to the Northest point and you brought the weather. Now you're going, it's going to rain.
I'm sorry about that. It's been great to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself, buddy. All right.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
All the best.
We've been the Northest point. That's point 1. We've just got to do the westest, southest, and eastest now,
3 more to go.
and we'll be there.
Yeah. And
Biker buddy's just arrived.
they've just finished eating the cake, but we need to go.
Let's go.
There's nowhere secluded here, and I need to find a hedge.
Yeah, we just got here, and you just want to go and pee.
Yeah, I know. I had a coffee earlier, haven't I? I need to come out again.
Yeah, but you need to take these things in, mate.
Come on, hurry up.
I can't. I need to just put my sat nav on.
We're going. We're just going to. We've done, but we're going to go down. We're going to find a hedge on the way back down.
Well, we have 193 miles until we reach our next campsite. So now we're going to do the west side pretty much of the NC500, a big chunk of that, and it's supposed to be spectacular. This is why all these caravan people come along and getting in our way, because they just want to drive this route like muppets.
Yeah. And unfortunately, this little bit of road, there is just motorhome after motorhome coming up and down, and you know, not that I'm moaning about them, but they don't want to let bikers by.
Yeah, they've not got any air to cut at all. They're like those car drivers that think that they can just like act like morons and overtake you in silly places. But anyway, we're going to get some absolutely epic footage, hopefully, on the west side now. That's the plan. So yeah, Matt, like Biker, came and visited, said hello, show his support, and came with us to the John O'Groats Northest point. That's really cool. And he's about to edge off back to his golf course, where he's going to go and play some golf.
Yeah, sounds like he's got a lovely little place out there that he's stopping at. Very nice.
The most important thing though is, right, that shows the clientele of people that we attract.
Yeah.
People that play golf, because people that play golf are filthy rich. It's officially true. So you're just saying that's the kind of people we attract to this channel, the filthy rich, because I'm a lord. Well, we're stuck here apparently for 10 Scottish minutes, what I believe equals to about 30 English minutes. But what we need to say is, what do you do when you've got to wait for 30 minutes?
Well, there's police coming through, so whatever you're doing, make sure it's legal.
Well, you star jump. 30 minutes, you've got to do some star jumping.
You couldn't star jump for 30 minutes if your life depended on it.
Of course I could if I slow the footage right down for 30 minutes. Everyone will think I've done 30 minutes worth. 1 minute of star jumps equals 30 minutes of me jumping up and down.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
So you know when you come around a corner and you see a view and you see a bit to park and you go, we've got to stop. We all pull over, and then we saw this. We've got about 63-ish miles to go now, and we've gone over the Highlands behind us. Like, it's been amazing. The wind blast is incredible. The bikes are swaying, and we're keeping a massive pace going because we want to get there. We want to get the tent set up, and we want to go for a beer before it's too late. That is one amazing road. Like, you could literally spend a day or two just riding them, but we're just hammering it and hammering it and hammering it. And we're knackered. We've done some serious miles, but we need to get there. We need to get these tents up. 63 more miles. What a day. Currently got massive crosswinds and it hits you from, whoa, one side, I don't know if you can hear that, and then it hits you from the other. We're getting battered. We've just arrived in Contin and honestly it's brutal. The wind was like wind blowing us all over the place, and then we went for a massive rainstorm, and there's a level you get to and it's like your bum hurts, your hands hurt, and you're just in pain. But we're here, the Riverside campsite, for the end of day 2, and we've got to get our tents up before the rain, because behind me, well, that's just a little bit of the cloud. Trust me when I say it gets a lot darker. We can't find the code to get in because we can't get our emails because we've got no internet signal, and we need to get into the gate. But we're going to set the tents up, get a victory beer. I'm knackered. I'm just so exhausted. But day 2, we did the Northest point. Tomorrow's the Westest point. Just please donate. Please. Make this worth it.
I'm here to take a bullet, standing by your side. I'll do anything for you, anytime. I'll carry you on my shoulders, a little heavy as time goes by. You know it's not forever, but for a little while. Little Lucifer, Lucifer, hold on. Little Lucifer, the day's yet to come. Little Lucifer, Lucifer, little Lucifer.